Here on FeedBoss. Today we are going to show you how to connect your MCP server using FeedBoss. So here's my little dashboard over here. So we head over to settings. It's really simple. So I'm going to show you. You choose the MCP server and then you copy this. Then I'm going to show you with Claude today. So let's say here is my Claude. I go to the settings here. As you can see, we'll use the connectors here, right? So move to the connectors. I've got a bunch. So we'll add a custom connector from here. And then give it any name that you like. I'm just gonna name it FeedBoss. And then remember the code that we copied. So I will paste it here, leave them as it is, and then put add. You are not connected to FeedBoss yet, but let's connect. Okay, getting things ready. Okay, so I have a couple of workspaces, so I'm going to choose the recent one. And now it's taking back to my Claude because I think it's done. All right, it's done. So now let's say we talk about something. Let's write a post on FeedBoss about the new feature of MCP connectors. Okay, let's see what happens. In the meantime, folks, so let me just tell you that in ChatGPT, you'll find the MCP connector in the store very soon. That is on our list because it's a bit more complicated than it is in Claude, of course, to connect things in ChatGPT. So we're going to put it in the ChatGPT store eventually. Okay. So I just saw it, so that's why it's taking some time. Okay, so here's the post. Carefully done. As you can see, FeedBoss can now be used directly inside Claude through an MCP connector. That means the LinkedIn content work can happen inside a normal AI conversation without opening the FeedBoss app for every step, although you have a lot of flexibilities on the app, as you already know. So let's just quickly show you guys if it has shown up on like my FeedBoss dashboard here. So you can head over to my post. It's a brand new workspace. So as you can see, like you can access this post from here. It's visible quite from here. We made it using new plot. So yeah, folks, that's how you connect your MCP server in FeedBoss.